Come on, Kenneth, get in the zone. You can do this. Here we go.
Hello? Is there anybody there? Hello, people walking past? Come back! By myself.
Alright.
Hello, I've been waiting for you. Where have you been? And can you please turn round and say, Kenneth's making me free coffee?
Kenneth is making me free coffee!
Hello, free coffee for you, sir. Oh, you've got tickly fingers. Could you lift one leg, please? Thank you. Could you lift the other leg, please? Yes.
Here we go, mate, come on.
Hello, mate, how are you?
Sweet, mate, you good?
Now the coffee's coming. Put your hands in the air, boys. Pretend you're at the football. Here it comes. Hey! I'll tell you what, if you give me a hug, I'll give you a free cup of coffee. Yes, man! Now, how about a kiss? Press the big red Make My Millicano button. Can you do some grinding with me, Jim? You ready? Like a lion! Rah!
Rah.
Here we go! And I'm going to grind! I'll make you coffee, and you can play the guitar! They're stealing! He's stolen your coffee, Sasha! Shake your hips like you've got a hula hoop! Here we go, here we go, here we go now! Put your arms in the air! Oh, yes! Shake it, sir! And join in, let's have a group swear!